Okay, Lee, you're from Zimbabwe. Could you talk about that a bit?
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm from Harare, which is the capital of Zim, and I was born there. My folks are British. My dad's from Manchester and my mom's from Scotland, but they went out a long time ago. And growing up in Zimbabwe was lecker, as we say there. That means really cool in Afrikaans. It was lekker. You grow up in a big, open, free place with animals and sunshine, and it's just a really healthy place to be. Well, at least it was. Today it's not doing too well because the economy's crashed, but growing up there was really slick.
Wow. What animals could you see?
Just about an hour's drive out of any city. You're liable to come across just about anything. I've seen leopards often at night, about an hour out of the capital where I live. You see monkeys along the road, right up to the city outskirts. In certain areas, you'll have to stop for elephants. There's quite a few buck warning signs because they're actually quite dangerous at night. They jump across the road, and your cars hit them at windscreen height. It is a bit of a problem.
Man.
So there's buck everywhere. And then away from residential areas, there's your big five: rhino, lion, being the most interesting, I guess, for foreigners. But they're never really around human settlement because they're very, very dangerous. They do take people from time to time.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's fascinating. All right, thanks a lot, Lee.
You're welcome, buddy. Okay.